lumabas ng bahay ang mga buntis sa gabi. Bakit? Kasi daw baka sapian ng masamang espiritu ang kapre at baka madisgrasya. Pero in reality, ang bahay nung araw ay nasanipa at on stilts at bamboo ang stairs niya. So sa gabi madilim, baka madulas pag lumabas. Kaya huwag na lang. Yun yung folklore. May basis kahit paano ng folklores na practices. Kahit ito mas maganda, ito medyo mas bago to. Bakit hindi pwede magpa-picture ng buntis? Oh, bakit? Hindi niyo alam yun. Kasi baka makunan. Oh, galing nyo. Dad jokes. Pwede ba gumamit ng... So, habang may injury, pag may laceration, the antiseptic that will be used will be betadine and ano yung antiseptic feminine washing lotions? Betadine and Gynepro. Kung wala naman sugat yan, you can use your ordinary lactacid or pH care. Yung pwede yun. Kasi hindi naman siya antiseptic. Why are these women prone to infection? Why? Because the lochia is alkaline in nature. So pag alkaline yan, tatanggal yung pH, nawawala yung protective mechanisms for vaginitis and even endometritis. Bladder function. Quite problematic if not recognized. Patients who are, shall we say, mentally unstable pre-pregnancy, these are the women that are really prone also to develop mood changes, even postpartum blues during pregnancy and after pregnancy. And the reason for this is, one, lack of support. Kung nag-iisa lang siya, tapos uncertain future, they don't know how to raise up the child alone, tapos na-disfigure yung kanyang body, feels ugly, tapos feel alone. So andun yung feeling ng depression. So these are postpartum blues. Isang pasyente, tinatawagan ako sa gabi. Natanong asawa ko, sino yan? Pasyente. Tinatawagan ka gabi, pasyente. Paano naman nalaman yung number natin? Okay, nagbigay. Hindi ko alam kung sino. Pero postpartum blues yun. Iwan siya ng asawa niya. Doon nalaman ng buntis. Counseling, a great deal of counseling. Kaya nga, kailangan talaga ng support ng family. Kaya yung mga unwanted pregnancy, especially, or unplanned pregnancies, and not acceptable in the community. So itatago niya yung pregnancy, teenager, estudyante, asawa, etc. na iba, tatago niya for as long as they can. Naghahanap ng solution. So unfortunately, they will delay the prenatal care. Then it becomes a high-risk pregnancy. So mas mataas yung, again, risk of postpartum blues or depression, again, because of the complications that we have. Ano ba? Immunizations, again, active versus passive immunization. You know that vitamin A is produced by the immune. Contraception, Consider long-acting reversible contraception. That means progestin implants. You can also do, pwede bang maglagay ng IUD right after the delivery of the placenta? Ang sagot, yes. Specifically, the first 12 minutes, the first 48 hours, that's the best time to insert the postpartum IUD. What about expulsion rates? Well, it is higher compared to if you give it 6 weeks after. Mas mataas. But it's still better than no contraception at all. So merong yung postpartum IUD, mas mahaba yung applicator. Pero the same size of the IUD. Progestins will not affect the breast milk production. So pwede siya. But the default is offer lactation amenorrhea method. Okay? Offer lactation amenorrhea method. So after 6 months, then that's the time you can probably explore others. Pag di talaga, sige, bigay mo yung mga long-acting contraception. Iniwan niya siya ng asawa niya. Hindi mo kailangan ng contraception. That's your part. When can you hospital discharge? Usually 48 hours. Home care. Coitus. Kailan pwede mag-sex? Ang nagdi-dictate ito yung comfort ng wife. So patients who have had repair, it will take a little bit longer kasi nga masakit. So ang decision will have to be the woman. Ang hirap maglaba. Okay, fine. 6 minutes. Okay. Good luck sa this. Do you have any questions about the topics for this? Things that are unclear to you? Pero kung pwede kong sagutin ng mahaba. Wala kayong tanong. Wala kayong tanong, sabihin nyo, ask kayo. Wala kayong tanong. So mula na rin tanong, maraming salamat. I hope you learned something today. Gentlemen, do not even attempt to understand me. For your sake, sumunod ka na lang for your peace of mind. gusto to isa-isa? Ano, tatawagin ko dalawa? Angelo Agus.
Yes, Doc.
Kailan? Nagsimulang si Daniel Angelica. Dito. Angelica. Baggy. Wala? Hindi na ako mo eh. Ano nangyari sa O? Tingin ko, hindi kayo papasok sa office. Baka mga dalawang brain cells lang ako. Ito. Diba? Si Clemens ba to? Clemens Piamenta. Tama ba Piamenta? Ito yun? Ano nickname mo? Siguro you were made in Italy. Assembled in Italy. Gila po. Bantay. Sorry naman naman. Ito, magpaparma to, grabe. Ito ba to, Arian Joy?
Grabe.